Money only works because we, the people, agree that it works. A piece of paper by itself has almost no practical value. A number on a screen is perhaps even stranger. Yet we exchange real time, energy, skills, food, labor, and land for these symbols every single day. This is because money is ultimately a shared system of trust. Before money, we would rely heavily on barter. We might trade bread for shoes, or wood for meat. But this kind of barter becomes difficult quite quickly, because both people need to want what the other one has at the same time. Money solved this problem by becoming a middle layer. So instead of trading goods, loaves of bread, sandals, meat, directly, we began trading value through a common tool that everyone recognizes. Over time, societies used shells, metals, coins, paper notes, and now mostly digital numbers. The important thing to understand here is money is not wealth itself. Real wealth is still food, shelter, clean water, useful skills, energy, creativity, technology, relationships, and harmonious human cooperation. Money is simply the accounting system that we as human beings created to move all these things in our life: food, shelter, water, skills, creations, technologies, relationships. To move these things around more efficiently, more relatably, and more cooperatively. Once we begin to understand this, money becomes less mystical, less confusing, less random. Money is not a magical thing. It is essentially just a social agreement.